Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in to my tutorial today. I will be working with the Recool hair. Today we're going to do something fun, something different, something flirty. We're going to do what I call the connect the ponytails or connect the dots or whatever you guys want to call it. Tic-Tac-Toe, crossover, small ponytails, I don't know. We're going to create this look today, so stay tuned. With this particular style, you want to make sure your parts are sharp and everything is very, very crisp. When it comes to making the triangles parting, you want to make sure that you're pressing the hair and keeping the hair as straight as possible so that you won't have any hairs out of line. Sectioning is very important when it comes to this style. So you want to make sure that your parts are straight and crisp. And you also want to make sure that your sectioning is actually in control. Once you have control of your sectioning, then you will be able to create any kind of parts, but you have to section off and you have to keep some type of balance when it comes to parting your styles. Okay, as you can see, the top portion of the hair, which is the diamond that I made in the center, that's the base of the ponytail. So now that we have created the base of the ponytail, which is the top little ponytail in the middle, that's the diamond, now we can create our squares, our triangles, whatever type of shape that you guys will want to go for this look. I'm actually doing triangles, some big, some small, just to each his own. If you would like to make your triangles a little smaller, then you can do that. I just didn't really have the time to just make a whole bunch of small ones, so I just kind of wanted it to be big so you can actually see the part and see how I'm actually creating this look. So you want to make sure as you're parting that you press out the outer part of the triangles that you guys are creating. So I'm going to create the back, and as you can see, you want to make sure you have a rat tail comb, and you want to make sure that those parts are as sharp as possible. You want to make sure that the hair on the outer part of the ponytail is straight as possible so that the ponytails that itself is very, very prestigious and sharp.
Dice is on the beat.
Okay, as you guys can see, I'm just parting my little self away and creating the ponytails. So this is the back portion of her head. You do not have to follow this same pattern because really I don't even have a pattern. I'm just parting and just pressing and going. So to each his own. If you find a different pattern, or if you can, you see a different angle that you want to go about it, just feel free to do that. At the end, after I'm done actually creating all of the ponytails, that's when I'm going to begin to connect the dots and connect all the ponytails up into the base, which is the diamond at the top. So just create all the small ponytails, and then when we get to the part where we're going to connect, the wax that I am using is not edge control. I repeat, the wax that I am using to lay her edges down is not edge control. This product is actually my product that I sell. It's called Premium Beeswax. It is not wet. It does not leave a white or flaky residue on your hair. Once used properly, it lasts up to 5 to 7 days properly. You do not have to reapply any product on your hair once using this product. So now that we're done with all the ponytails, we're actually going to start from the back. Now let me repeat, yes, I did use edge control only for connecting the ponytails, because edge control has this wet kind of feeling where the wax is a little heavy. So what I did was I applied a little bit of edge control on the ends of her hair so that it can give me that more sleek, straight look. So the more hair that we come in contact with, the more thicker the ponytail becomes. So just split the ponytail up in half. You can have one section going to the left, the other section going to the right, as long as they're all connecting and it's not big and bulky. That's one thing you want to keep in mind when you're connecting these ponytails. You want to start from the back And the more hair that you accumulate as you work your way to the top, is going to get a little full, as you can see this ponytail in the back. So what you would do is just split it in half, add a little edge control on the ends of her hair, and connect it. So as you can see, this is the finished look. So we're just going to braid this on up. We're going to actually extend her ponytail, so I'm not going to ball it too far. I'm just going to fold that down, and we're going to add 2 bundles of the Recool hair onto her ponytails. Now you guys can use the whole 3 packs, but normally with this ponytail you don't want it to be so heavy on a client's hair. So at the most I would use is a pack and a half to 2 packs. Alright, so I'm done gluing this ponytail in. Now I want this ponytail to have some type of height. I am going to brush it out and fluff it out some, but I want her ponytail to still have that height. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some braiding hair, we're going to braid up some hair, and we're going to wrap the base of her ponytail with this braid. Now not only does this helps the style look a little more cool and cute, but it also helps the ponytail to sit up, and it also help it with that base that I'm actually looking for, and that height. So I'm just gonna comb some of these curls out a little bit, maybe cut it up some. Make sure you guys have some open bobby pins, because you also can use the bobby pins also to create the height in her hair. So I'm just gonna put a couple pieces of bobby pins throughout the braid so that the braid is secure and that it won't come loose. At the same time, the bobby pins are also allowing the ponytail to sit up so that we can have that height and that volume that we're looking for. Let's get into this look, okay? My motto was not to play with. Now, to keep this hairstyle up, it will last you for 2 weeks. Make sure you guys purchase my hair scarves. I also have mink lashes available on the site. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. Thank you guys. You guys are always appreciative. I love you. Have a great day.